Hello everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're now in the pool lounge right next to the fitness center, which is right over there. So I'm just taking a look at it. It's pretty simple, but it's simply beautiful. It goes probably 25 feet tall. It's full of glass. It's so fun. You see all this red with the wood floors. It's just a really cool area just to chill and relax and watch things. You could be gathering here on Saturday watching some football, SEC football, of course. You've got the Longhorns, you've got the Aggies, and Houston, you've got the Cougars. I mean, you got a lot of football. People love football around here, so you can be watching all of that. You've also got a really nice little mini store here machine. You can go grab something out of there anytime. And just a really cool little area here. I liked it a lot. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below. And just a reminder, this is like right by the pool, and the fitness center. Okay, now let's go see some apartments. We're about to go do that right now.